Jackson Palmer, the co-founder of Dogecoin, was on Twitter a couple of days ago to convey his displeasure about what the cryptocurrency industry has turned out to be. In his thread of tweets, the Australian programmer talked about the world of cryptocurrency, criticizing it harshly. He said he is not going to return or mingle in the cryptocurrency community because of what the industry now represents. Welcome back to Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Dogecoin's price has faltered after breaking out of May's descending trendline, and there is a high probability that the breakout continues in favor of the bulls. It will, however, be challenging if there's no renewal in the momentum which accompanied the initial surge. During a widely anticipated live discussion with Twitter's Jack Dorsey and successful investor Cathie Wood, Elon Musk, the renowned technology boss, restated his commitment to the course of Dogecoin. He hinted at combining Dogecoin with Ethereum to maximize transaction rates and lower transaction costs. Despite Musk's interest in bullish Dogecoin statements at the discussion and on Twitter, he stated that he might pump, but he does not dump cryptocurrencies. He also discussed his plans concerning Bitcoin, saying that his car manufacturing company Tesla will likely resume accepting Bitcoin for payments, and that SpaceX also has Bitcoin. Generally, Musk was bullish about the cryptocurrency market and appeared to be optimistic about the evolution of crypto mining, such as the reduction of the reliance on fossil fuels for the mining of cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin continues to be lucky, as a lot of people from Elon Musk to Mark Cuban to Snoop Dogg have voiced their optimism for the meme-based cryptocurrency, setting it on a meteoric surge of more than 7,000% over the first few months of the year. While the price of Dogecoin has been very volatile with a massive drop in mid-2021 from its all-time high of around 73 cents, it remains the 8th most valued cryptocurrency with a market cap of over $25 billion. As good as investing in Dogecoin looks, there are a couple of things that you need to know before you venture into investing your money. First, you need to consider how much you want to invest in Dogecoin. While there are a lot of viral stories of people who invested trivial amounts in Doge but are now millionaires, it is advisable that you invest with caution. Cryptocurrencies are very risky investments, and Dogecoin is uniquely volatile because it has an unlimited supply. For Dogecoin's price to increase or even remain steady, investors have to buy more coins continually. Otherwise, the supply of Doge rises rapidly and reduces the value of all the coins already in circulation. In fact, the limit on the number of Doge was expressly removed by one of its creators in order to discourage people from holding onto it long term. This is in contrast to other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which has a limit on the number of coins that are issued. This creates scarcity, which helps coins to retain their value. When deciding how much to invest, you need to consider your overall financial situation, an investment portfolio, and risk tolerance. Good experts do not recommend you to invest more than you're willing to lose with cryptocurrencies or investments in general. Second, you need to decide on a cryptocurrency exchange that you want to use. In order to purchase Dogecoin, you'll need to open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange, where buyers and sellers meet to exchange cryptocurrency for dollars. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, all of which offer a very simple and easy-to-use platform that charges a high fee along with a more advanced platform with low fees. Although Dogecoin is now popular, it's not available on all cryptocurrency exchanges. You need to confirm that the exchange you want to use supports the purchase of Doge. Third, you'll need to select a payment option. Before you can begin trading cryptocurrencies, you must deposit money in your exchange or brokerage account. In most cases, the exchanges will let you deposit money from a checking or savings account. Some accept wire transfers and PayPal transfers. In addition to selecting your payment option, you'll need to place your order for Dogecoin. Once your order is placed, it should go through immediately. Like all other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin is not limited by trading hours and can be bought and sold any time of the day, any day of the week. Lastly, you need to consider your storage option. Whenever you buy Dogecoin, it's kept by default in your exchange's or brokerage's crypto wallet. Because these are generally connected to the internet, some investors prefer to withdraw the crypto they purchase from their exchange and store it in another wallet. You can choose to store your Dogecoin in a hot wallet or a cold wallet outside of your exchange. Hot wallets are digital and connected to the internet, whereas cold wallets are physical hardware that you can disconnect, making them less susceptible to hacking. Elon Musk remains the self-proclaimed Doge father. Just last week, the billionaire changed his Twitter profile picture in support of the Dogecoin, and that led to its price surging. The most recent example of the pumping was seen at the B-Word event, where Musk was one of the main panelists. The coin jumped 10.5% the day after the SpaceX CEO revealed that he held Doge in his personal investment portfolio alongside Bitcoin and Ether. He also spoke in support of the coin, stating the Dogecoin community has great memes and loves dogs, and I love dogs and memes. Time and again, analysts and enthusiasts have questioned the coin's use case, its development capabilities, and its reliability as a serious investment option. In a recent podcast, Neha Narula, director of the Digital Currency Initiative at the MIT Media Lab, raised a few important points about the network's robustness and security. Narula, who was the moderator at the B-Word event, expressed her surprise at the fact that Dogecoin was not attacked yet, saying, "My understanding is that there weren't really a lot of people contributing to the Dogecoin code base, applying patches, running nodes, monitoring the network, things like that. So I'm honestly kind of amazed that it stood up this long, and I wonder if it's just because there isn't anybody sort of bothering trying to attack it." Her concerns were valid, considering that the coin has seen no major network upgrades since 2015. While an infinite number of new coins and networks have emerged since then, the Doge network has remained the same for over 6 years. Since it was all meant to be a joke, not much could be expected from it. In 2014, the coin did shift to an AUX POW system, at Litecoin's behest. However, the coin's non-upgraded network, along with the usage of a POW, already posed significant network concerns. In addition, the coin is inflationary in nature, as it doesn't have a limited supply, as is the case for most coins. These factors combined could lead to miners leaving the network due to lowering rewards, resulting in extended block times and low hash rates. More importantly, though, this could leave the network increasingly susceptible to 51% attacks, resulting in an investment catastrophe. Narula highlighted her concerns about the same, saying, "I think in the long term, the true value of this technology is that it operates in a really decentralized adversarial environment, and that means it needs to be really secure and well written. And if there are no developers maintaining it, then I wouldn't have a lot of confidence that it's very secure." Musk tried to solve the development issue earlier. He had acquired and funded a team of part-time devs to work on the project, revealing that on Twitter. Soon after, the Tesla CEO had also called out for developers on Twitter to contribute to the development by submitting ideas. Narula, however, believed that this would not really solve the problems the coin is doomed to face. Elon can't just hire a bunch of developers and have them build it, because if it does get really big, then there's a small group of developers who can go to them and say, "Hey, this thing's happening on your network, and I want you to shut it down," she said. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.